House BRUS, in Ghent, Belgium, is a compact residence that blends architectural reuse with fresh design thinking. Originally built in 1938, the house was reimagined by Luchtschip Architectuur to meet modern spatial needs without losing its existing character. The transformation began by flipping the traditional plan. The kitchen, once isolated at the back, is now placed at the front, and the living area is moved toward the south-facing garden, connecting directly with natural light and outdoor space. To create this connection, the rear volume was replaced by a timber-framed extension. Here, structure becomes part of the aesthetic. Exposed Oregon pine beams, visible frames, and a full-height glass facade define the new atmosphere. The house is compact, just 130 square meters, but feels open and functional. Color is used intentionally. A blue kitchen, green joinery, yellow tiled walls, and colored concrete flooring add personality and define zones within the space without relying on partitions. Sustainability was a key goal. With a limited budget, the design team prioritized reuse. The existing foundation, timber floors, and staircase were preserved. New insulation, upgraded windows, and alternative heating systems were introduced, along with a green roof that supports biodiversity and helps with thermal control. The strategy was minimal demolition, maximum adaptation. Materials are selected for performance, but also for texture and warmth, from raw wood to hand-finished surfaces. Circulation is fluid and compact. No space is wasted. Transitions are short, and rooms borrow light and function from one another. What makes House BRUS stand out is not scale or spectacle, but precision and personality. It's a renovation that doesn't erase the past, but builds on it with clarity and color.